What's going on, you guys? Back with another video. It is your boy Danzy Man, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. Just like every video, I've noticed I've been always doing something random. It'd be one serious video, it'd be one gaming video, or it'll be just a simple 30-second meme. And you know what? I think maybe that should be my schedule. A meme, something I talk about, and gaming. But there's one thing I've always wanted to try out. So, as per the title, what I want to try out is if I can recreate sort of the same thing that artists do.
Boy, if you don't...
Yeah, something like that. Anyways, so little backstory. I was just scrolling through Instagram and I randomly stumbled upon this account. Not really gonna show the account. They're kind of small, so I don't really know if it's like their personal life or anything. But I did see one photo of theirs, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's this. And yeah, I want to recreate that. That looks pretty badass. It kind of reminds me of the type of style that the artist Getter would use. I remember in one of his music videos, he would always use like that type of like effect of like a goo face. I just call it goo face. I saw that photo and I'm looking at it right now here on my screen as well. I'm just like amazed by like the detail in it. It looks fairly simple and easy to copy because all I see is just a bunch of squiggles with a bit of shading in it. Now, I don't claim to be the greatest graphic designer in the world. However, I want to try it out. That's it. That's the video. Just me trying it out and you guys enjoying it. And maybe it could be a tutorial if it turns out good. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so here we have our reference photo. I just cropped it out. It got 51 likes. You know, it's just a small like random account. I don't want to like really, you know, expose them. If we look closer, let's zoom in on real quick. Yeah, see, it just looks like a bunch of squiggles right here. You got the fat eyebrows. You got this cool outline. It just looks like he just simply just outlined his face because I could see a bit of his forehead sticking out there. So, yeah, I think we could do it. Now, I'm not gonna use my face because I don't know. I don't really feel photogenic right now. So I went ahead and got this lovely face right here, and I actually got it from a website called Unsplash. I'll put it in the description. It's basically like where like photography and like art and all that is like shared. Whoops, sorry for the shaky chair. By the way, I am not in my room. I'm in a hotel, so that's why this is a weird environment. I'm just doing a bit of traveling, hiking, all that, just enjoying life. But I decided since I have some time, I'll just make a video since I haven't posted for like over 4 fucking months. But anyways, I got this photo from Unsplash, and it's basically a lot of creators, artists, photography, everybody just kind of like sharing their photos, and it could be used. I forgot the name. It's like CC, Creative Commons, I think that's what it's called. Whatever it's called, you can basically like share and like you can distribute it and all that. But as long as you like include their name and all that, I think I'll have his name in the description. When I saved it, I accidentally forgot to save his name, so whoops. But I did just type in face, so he just popped up. So if you see him on Unsplash, go ahead and give him a shout out. But yeah, I'm just not gonna use my face because I'm a bit insecure. All right, let's go back. Cringe. Okay. What we're gonna do right now is similar to this photo. We're gonna do an outline of all these black lines, his lips, his eyes, his eye socket. I don't even know what it's called, man. My anatomy sucks. Yeah, we can do it too. Like this seems similar. His head is just a bit tilted, which is fine. So let's begin. So let's get our outline tool. Oh, before that, I actually wanted to let you guys know that instead of doing it on his face, because look, if you do it on his face and you try to erase it, you erase his face. I figured that out the hard way. So whoops, G-force, what's going on? I just put a layer on top of it and I could just draw around, and then when I try to erase it, it just erases that. Like, wow, I know, right? Beginner. All right, so back to the thing. So we're gonna actually rename this layer into outline. Outline. And you know what? I'm just gonna switch spots right now because this table is like shaky as hell, and I'm gonna do a lot of things with my fingers, and I don't want it to look like I don't want it to look like it's like an earthquake or something. So be right back. Oh. Ew. There we go. All right, man. What is going on with this video? I think I should just fucking end it right here. All right, now back to the video. Let's outline this motherfucker. Holy crap. So So these are just black, so let's just go ahead and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just outline this whole thing. Okay, cool, let's do it. So we're gonna just start right here. And we're just gonna get his full, nah, that's ugly. We're just gonna start right here, and we're just gonna get his full forehead, no skin showing. And it's okay that some of the hair, oh, see, you can see a bit of his skin right here. So let's go back a bit. Man, this is harder than I thought, especially with a mouse. And I'm not really gonna take my time on this. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, because if I spend too much time on it, then my phone battery would die and everything. And actually, I'm running this on my laptops. Kind of don't have much time. My charger actually doesn't seem to stop, so charger, god damn it. Oh, what? Oh, I could just do that? I don't need to like, look at that. See, beginner, I'm beginner. Let's do the other ear. Thing is, his hair is like covering it up, but I guess I could make it into like a pointy ear, like almost like elven or something. Doesn't have to be always human, you know, like humans suck anyways. Always complaining about stupid shit. That should be my next video, just people complaining about dumbass shit, because I don't know about you guys, but lately people have been complaining about a lot of dumb shit. Now I'm gonna stop where the jawline is, because I noticed that, yeah, he's got some drips right here. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a drip. Yeet, yeet, and then we're gonna go like that. It's a little too big, whatever. We're not really taking this seriously. I just want to see if I could even do a basic goo face. A little cringe, but you know what? We'll make it work. It'll look dope in the end. Bam! Outline done! So, next step is the eyebrows. I know his eyebrows are like fat as hell in that other one, but I'm gonna make his more like clean. What is going on here? Don't worry, fellas, I think it's gonna turn out great, I hope. I mean, I could take my time here, but it's like, why should I? It looks a bit, oh Lord, okay. Okay, let's just fill that in. Dang, the jet on this is crazy. Dude, what is wrong with my hair? Oh my God, I just got out of the shower, so it's just like why? I don't even have a hat. I didn't bring a hat. So it's like, I can't even get this hair out the way. So you're just gonna have to deal with my messy hair. Okay, so now let's move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I guess I'm gonna go for a smaller font, maybe 15. Actually, maybe even like 9. Yeah, let's just do that. All right, looks like you have eyeliner on. Okay, now let's go back to our reference. Now he has these big ass, like, this, I don't know. I don't know what that is. I actually forgot what that, what is it? Like, I can't even speak, bro. Oh my God, okay. Okay. Oh Jesus, okay. Yeah, this can work. I'm not really like perfecting anything right now. You got some nice lips, buddy. Add a line right here. Okay. Yeah. All right, is there anything else I need to outline? Oh, his nose. Oh my God, I hate the mouse so much. Color in his nose. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's literally a train like right next to where my room is. So I just hear it come by. Add another one like right here. Yeah, it looks dope. What else does he have? Oh, he has those lines here and here. Okay. Okay, so I did the eyes and the mouth. Not that perfect, but hey, it's good enough. I kind of want to start coloring things in, so let's do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and add another layer for that, and then just call it face color. We're gonna go ahead and put it down here, so then we can still see the outline. Thinking of using a similar color. Yeah, that's a good color. All right. All right, so I colored in his face. Next step I'm gonna do is the eyes, the under eyes thing, still don't know what it's called, and the lips. Get a new layer, call it eyes and lips. The eyes are gonna be white. We're got the white eyes. So I think we're gonna go with like this type of pink. I think it'll look cool. Yeah, maybe a little bit more or darker. This looks pretty good. It actually looks kind of similar to this one. We just need a lot more shading. So let's go ahead and start shading the face. Call it face shade. We're gonna have to get this color and just go like a lot more like darker. Let's see how his is. Yeah, it's like that, and then it goes around. It looks a lot better, not gonna lie. His nose and his lip, his bottom lip. Okay. Looks good actually. Yeah, the nose could be a little bit better. I don't know what I did wrong. Now let's do the bottom lip. Okay, done with that. It already looks like it has a lot of detail. That's actually pretty cool. I never knew shading could be like so like important, like making cartoons of faces that are gooey. Let's add another layer for the shades of the eyes and in the lips itself, because I saw that. So eyes and a lip shade. And same thing, we find the color originally and then just go down, yeah, like a bit. All right, that looks good. And then for the lips, it looks like there's like 3 different colors. Honestly, I'm just gonna shade it once. That's it. I'm gonna shade it once, fuck it. And then we're gonna be good. Yep, that's it. Oh man, all right. Now we can finally add the gooey. So he has a lot of lines outlining certain things, okay, we get that. He's got these nice, juicy, gooey liquids oozing down the face. So, oh, I noticed that it also has a bit of shading under it and like a little lighter color right here. So I guess we can do that too. I'm not gonna do the neck part though. The neck seems like his neck is too big, man. I'm not gonna do that shit. I'm just gonna do the face. Let's just type in outline goo. I wanna make sure if I mess up, I can just erase that instead of like accidentally erasing his eyebrows or something. And yeah. Just kidding. I'm gonna skip it. I'm just gonna just do this on my own really quick, and then yeah, you'll just see the final result on my outlines. All right guys, so I did the outline. Here's my little goo. So yeah, I just did like these like elongated like U's, and I just sort of like also made like these like white ass like W's and stuff just all around. Added some more detail here and there. So now the last step for the outline of the goo is to shade it and then put a little highlight on the tip of that goo to give it a bit more like, you know, like it's shiny or something. Oh, and don't mind the ears. I have no idea how to do the ears, so I just did this. So yeah, just deal with that. But it looks pretty good. Like if you look from afar, it's like, oh yeah, it looks pretty good, you know, like. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue on doing the shading. Yeah, the shading and the highlighting. And that'll be it for the video. Cool. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, you guys, there you have it. Here is my final design. Yay. So there you have it, my final piece. It certainly does not look like a man who has blue pimples on his face. It definitely looks like there's something like sliding down. I think I should have made the goo a bit bigger, because this guy definitely has a lot more like goo. And I have more of like someone spit on my face, like I'm sweating profusely or something. But hey, it looks pretty good. Give me a couple more times, a couple more practices, and it will surely look exactly like his, you know? But nonetheless, I think it looks really good. Maybe if I just do the, what about color balance? Yeah, that looks a lot better. Like if you just do it like that, a little like that, bam. That looks so badass. So we started off with oh Lord have mercy. Wait, let's see what what? That is my nightmares. This has been pretty fun. I actually enjoyed doing this. This is pretty cool. There you have it. This is my final design. Basing it off of this. The face that I use is from Unsplash. Link in the description. Yeah, I think I did pretty well. This is like my first time doing it. We went from this guy, bam, 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 bam. Sexy as hell. Whoops, my battery is low actually. That concludes our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Leave a dislike if you didn't. If you think I'm crazy cringe or whatever, really appreciate the feedback, because I'm really trying to like see what I can do out here see what I can do with my like YouTube channel, and see if I can just be more creative or just be more like goofy or fun or unfun or whatever the hell you guys are interested in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I gave you guys some ideas to work on it. It looks like you can actually do it on like GIMP, MS Paint and stuff. So like this is a really cool design. You could do it on your phone probably. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I care about, is if you guys enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, well I gotta go. Battery's almost dead. So peace.